When you work with text in presentations, you need to be sure it stands out. Your words need to keep your audience focused. Adding fonts is a great way to do exactly that. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress. I'm a Google Slides Pro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Google Slides. In just a few moments, you'll know how to add new fonts in Google Slides and create stunning custom designs. For this tutorial, we'll work with the beautiful premium Layout Google Slides template from Elements. As you can see here, I have it downloaded and opened up in Google Slides. Now, let's use it to learn how to add my own fonts on Google Slides. Consider the advantages here. Fonts help your text stand out. They control the look and feel of every slide, and they let you keep your audience engaged. With some careful styling, you'll impress every time. We'll look at 4 quick ways to work with fonts. Jumping to slide number 2 here, let's get to work. First, let's change the font type. This means swapping out the design for another style. I'll start by selecting this text here. You'll see it shaded in blue. Then let's come up here to the toolbar menu at the top of Google Slides. In this font box, I'll go ahead and click on this dropdown. When I do, you'll see this whole list of font options. Choose a new one and watch as it applies instantly. As you could see there, Google Slides includes many fonts. Let's see how to add fonts to Google Slides if you don't want to use the existing options. For this, select Text again, then return up here to the Font dropdown. This time, let's choose More Fonts. The Fonts menu will appear. Up here at the top, we can search for designs using the search box. These dropdowns over here on the right are filters. Think of them as a way to refine your results for certain styles of font. When you see a font that you want, select it and choose OK. It will appear in My Fonts, and when we go back to the slide, you'll see it up here, ready to use in your slide deck. Let's explore how to add new fonts in Google Slides a different way. You can also use an extension called an add-on to use different fonts. To do that, let's go to the Extensions tab up here on the menu. From the drop-down, choose Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. This menu appears, and on it, we can search for a font add-on. One great option is Extensis Fonts, so we'll search for that. With the add-on shown here, I'll click through these install steps. Once complete, I'll come back up here to the Add-ons menu. Then, I'll click to open the extension. It will appear here on the right in this new sidebar menu. Scrolling through, you can see that all of these fonts are now available to me. Jumping forward here, let's look at one last option. It's easy to customize existing fonts when you've added them to Google Slides. Transforming the size and color of fonts helps them look amazingly different. Once again, I'll select some text here. Then, let's return to the menu bar. Here in this size group, you can adjust your font size. Choose a value, type one in, or click up and down using the plus and minus buttons here. You'll see your fonts transform in real time. Finally, with this text color menu, you can change the color of your fonts. There are amazingly robust options built in here, and you can even use these custom options if you need to match to a color hex, for example. You just learned how to add fonts to Google Slides. As you can see, it's an amazingly easy way to transform the design of your Google Slides presentation. That's all thanks to premium templates from Envato Elements. Elements offers an amazing deal. Unlimited downloads of millions of digital assets. You'll enjoy countless slide decks, stock photos, fonts, and so much more. It's available all for one flat monthly rate. And don't forget to subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for even more helpful tutorials just like this one. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.